Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question 9 power x minus x power 4 equals to 65. And of course this question is supposed to find value of x is equal to what? Solution. And of course first thing here is to copy. We have 9 power x then minus x power 4 equals to 65, and of course we have only single equation that we are going to deal with. And of course this 9 can be written as 3 squared, then power x as we have, then minus, of course have x power 4 and it can be written as x squared power 2. Nothing has been changed, so which is equal to 65. We can interchange this one to get 3 power x squared minus x squared power 2, which is equal to 65. And of course if you have seen as this is the difference of two squares, where 3 power x squared minus x squared again, which is equal to 65, and we can separate them to get what? 3 power x then minus x squared then times 3 power x minus, here will be plus x squared will be 65, right? Then at this stage we have this one, and we can find here prime factorization of this 65, where we can say 3 power x minus x squared then 3 power x plus x squared will be here 5 times 13. And of course we are going to equalize to each other. Here we have symbol of negative. We are going to equalize it with this 5 because in number we can get and then subtract. Of course it will be shorter than this one, smaller than this, right? That is, we're going to form equation, system of equation where 3x minus x squared will be 5 and 3x minus here plus x squared will be 13, and here we shall add them to get what? We have 3x, right, plus this one 3x, then here we have minus x squared plus this one x squared, which is equal to 5 plus 13. Of course we here have 3x plus 3x, and this will be cancelled to get 18. Right at this stage here we have 2 3 power x, which is equal to 18. We shall divide 2, 3 power x is equal to 9, and of course 3 power x is equal to 3 squared. At this stage we have same base to mean that power are equal, x will be 2, and this is the value of x. But here you have to check if the answer we have got if is correct, because we have given question 9 power x minus x power 4 will be 65, and of course here I have 9 squared minus 2 power 4 is equals to 65 question mark, and of course this is 81 minus 16, which is equal to 65 question mark. Of course 81 minus 16, that is 65, which is equal to 65, and left hand side is equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.